Alright boys, so today we'll be making spaghetti tacos but with a Chinese twist. So instead of spaghetti tacos, I will be making ramen tacos, like replacement for the taco shells. And I will also be making, instead of spaghetti, I will use Chinese vermilion rice noodles with ABC soup to replicate the spaghetti tacos but in a Chinese manner. So for first step to making the spaghetti tacos Chinese style is you gotta have the boiled water. So I boiled the water, and what you want to do, the first step is you boil the water and then you put the instant noodles inside. And what you also want to do is, not only do you want to boil these bad boys, you want to put a little bit of flavoring inside it so it tastes very good. So I'm gonna put some of this. Just put like half the packet in. Boil each side for about 1 minute and then flip them, so you know, like one side, and then want the noodles to be so hard, so you just boil them for like a minute, 2 minutes, around there. And then what you want to do is strain the water. What you want to do is put cheese in the noodles. So what the cheese will act like, so you take the cheese, take like 2 slices of cheese. That's how much I'm doing because I use 2 noodles. So the cheese will act like glue, just like eggs, just like the eggs. And what you want to do is bury the cheese so it melts, and you know, add a bit of water so you know it doesn't stick to the bottom. So what you want to do is just, oh yes, you see the cheese is melting into the, so this will allow you to mold your instant noodles into the taco shells that you want. Alright, so after your noodles have cooled, what you want to do is take your noodles that you had with the cheese, and like, okay, this is approximately like half of it because I'll be making 2 tacos. What you want to do is make a circle with your instant noodles, and that's what basically tacos are. They're just circles and then folded in half. So you know, you just want to like press it a bit. You want to press it a bit so like it's a big taco. There we go. That's like one of the things, one of the patties. And the glue we added previously is, the cheese we added previously is like glue. And we'll make this mold really easily. Alright, so right now, after you mold your noodles, what you want to do is put some butter or oil on the pan. I put butter, and what you're going to do is fry them basically. So just plop the noodles on. Kind of messed mine up. And what you want to do is just fry both sides until it's like a bit like golden brown, kind of like fries. And then, alright, so while you're frying your taco shell, you will be dropping this into boiling water, your vermilion rice noodles. But you don't want to cook this for too long, because this these type of rice noodles cook very fast, like a minute, like to 2 minute max. You don't need that much because it's basically, you're putting like, in tacos you don't need that much inside it. So you don't really need that much inside it. Like, I'm gonna be putting very little inside the spaghetti tacos. Alright, so when you are done with your rice vermilion noodles, what you want to do is strain it and then pour it into a separate bowl. And as I said in the beginning, I'm gonna be using ABC soup. You guys can use anything. Just pour it. And then you gotta clear it a bit too. Put some water in that, and then switch it up. There we go. I think it's a bit too much water, so I'll just pour a bit of it out. Okay. And this is what's going to be going inside of your tacos. Alright, so as soon as you have your spaghetti taco shell and you have your spaghetti, what you want to do to make the holy trinity is grab like a bunch of the noodles with the ABC soup and just put it in. And then some of that nice ABC letters and like potato and peas, and then you just squash that, and there is your spaghetti taco, and I will be serving this.
Bro, do you see the menu?
No way.
Yo, we have to try. Yo, we have to get that spaghetti taco thing. What, ramen on top?
What? No.
Like not ramen as the taco shell, dude. This chef better be top notch. I want some gourmet tacos, bro. Like, dude, I love my tacos, dude. Taco Bell, so good. Yo, what, Chipotle tacos? Insane. But this better top all of that. We paid $25. It better be good. So, yo, here he comes with the food, bro.
Alright, boys. The moment you've been waiting for. The spaghetti taco with a Chinese twist on it. So you guys can both grab a handful of it and
Dude, this looks blessed.
and tell me how you guys
Oh my
think.
goodness, dude.
Alright.
This is nothing like Taco Bell.
No, thank you. Alright.
Blessed. It's blessed.
It's actually really good.
So tell me how you guys think.
Dude, have you ever watched the anime Shokugeki no Soma?
Oh yeah.
This is that, like, dude, this is hot. You know when the clothes fall off?
That's my stuff. Oh, in the yes. That's good. That good?
stuff.
That good.
It's that good.
Okay. Well, thank you.
Yo, what's your name, chef?
Oh, this is Arthur Way.
Oh my god, Arthur, you're a legend.
Yeah, thank you.
So good.
So this was Arthur Way's Cooking Adventures, Shoku no Geku edition, and what today I made spaghetti tacos with a Chinese twist. Thank you for watching.
That's not bad.